Exploring Brittany's Galette recipe is like taking a bite of history dipped in ocean air. You see, these savory delights are made from buckwheat flour and can be filled with whatever your heart desires. However, what truly brings them to life is the traditional pairing with a crispy apple cider. In fact, every bite takes me back to my childhood holidays in Brittany, surrounded by stories of Celtic legends. Instead of just cooking, we are inviting you to experience a piece of Brittany at home. So, gather your ingredients and let the spirit of Brittany sweep you off your feet. Suddenly, it feels like you are sitting in a cozy cafe by the coast, enjoying the rhythm of life in this magical region.